Today I am reviewing the Beelink SER5 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Small in size but big on performance, the Beelink SER5 Mini PC is a powerhouse that brings desktop-level capabilities into a compact form factor. If you've ever wanted a mini PC that can handle productivity, media, and even light gaming without taking up space on your desk, this is a system worth exploring. Starting with the heart of the machine, the Beelink SER5 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 500U processor. This is a 6-core, 12-thread CPU built on AMD's 7nm architecture, with a base frequency of 2.1 GHz and a turbo boost up to 4.0 GHz. That's plenty of processing power for multitasking, from browsing multiple tabs and running Office apps to light video editing and graphic design work. Thanks to the Ryzen 500U, switching between tasks feels seamless, and the system doesn't stutter even under heavy workloads. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 500GB NVMe SSD, this mini PC is responsive and fast. Apps load quickly, boot times are minimal, and you have enough stored for documents, multimedia, and even some games. For users who need more, the RAM can be upgraded to 64 GB, giving this little machine the ability to handle even more demanding tasks. The storage is also expandable, so you can increase capacity as your needs grow. Graphics performance is surprisingly strong for a mini PC. The integrated AMD Radeon Graphics with 7 cores running at 1,800 MHz can handle 4K at 60 Hz playback and even support dual displays simultaneously. This makes the Beelink SER5 ideal for multitasking across multiple monitors, working on spreadsheets, video editing, and even some light gaming. Watching movies, streaming content, or editing UHD video is smooth and fluid, giving you a near-desktop experience in a tiny chassis. Connectivity is another area where the Beelink SER5 shines. It supports high-speed 2.5G LAN for fast wired connections, dual-band Wi-Fi for stable wireless performance, and Bluetooth 5.2 for connecting peripherals. On the port side, you get plenty of options. 3 USB 3.2 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, HDMI, Type-C for data and video, audio jack, and a DC power input. This ensures that you can connect everything from monitors and keyboards to external drives and headsets without hassle. One of the best things about the Beelink SER5 is its compact design. Measuring just a few inches in each dimension, it takes up very little space on your desk, making it ideal for small workspaces, home offices, or even as a media center in your living room. Despite its small size, it has an effective cooling system, so you don't have to worry about overheating during long sessions of work or media playback. For entertainment, this mini PC is excellent as well. With support for 4K dual displays and capable graphics, you can set up a home theater PC, watch UHD movies, stream online content, or even run light gaming sessions without compromise. It truly is a versatile machine for both work and play. Finally, Beelink backs this mini PC with a strong warranty and lifetime after-sales service. They offer a 3-year warranty and 24/7 technical support, giving users peace of mind that any issues will be promptly addressed. All Beelink SER5 units come with FCC, RoHS, and CE certifications, ensuring a safe and reliable product. In summary, the Beelink SER5 Mini PC is a compact yet powerful solution for anyone who needs performance without the bulk of a traditional desktop. With its Ryzen 500U CPU, 16 GB RAM, 500 GB SSD, UHD graphics, dual display support, and versatile connectivity, it's a mini PC that punches well above its weight. Whether you need a productivity machine, a media hub, or a lightweight gaming PC, this little powerhouse has you covered. Compact size, powerful performance, and ultimate versatility. The Beelink SER5 Mini PC proves that great things can come in small packages.